Instead of street demonstrations, is the Congress party willing to openly debate the allegation of corruption against Veerbhadra Singh, the Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister? Arun Jaitley has openly challenged the Congress party after these protests outside BJP National President Rajnath Singh's house earlier this morning. Arun Jaitley asks, will a demonstration by Congress party outside Rajnath Singh's house dilute Shri Veerbhadra Singh's guilt? Instead of street demonstrations, is the Congress party willing to debate on national television the charges against Veerbhadra Singh? And that is a big focus story. The BJP is upping the ante, mounting pressure on the Congress party to come clean on serious allegations of alleged corruption against the Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh and his wife. Arun Jaitley says it is an open and shut case, allegation of corruption where money changed hands through check. The question is, why will the CBI investigate and in the right earnest? Headlines today is Rishika Barua now joins me for more on the story. Rishika, BJP ups the ante after that protest, that demonstration outside Rajnath Singh's house that you covered.
Well, absolutely. After taking to the streets this morning when the NSUI in fact protested outside Rajnath Singh's residence, demanding the BJP to come clean on corruption charges that have in fact been levelled against its own ministers and the fact that it should put its own house in order before actually casting allegations against the Congress party. This is Arun Jaitley's tweet retaliating to the protest that we saw this morning. He's making it very clear that instead of, taking to the streets and making this a street protest, the Congress should in fact come out into the open, and he has challenged them to a television debate over the corruption charges against Veerbhadra Singh. These are, he says, very serious charges. He has also written a letter to Prime Minister Manmohan Singh demanding a CBI inquiry. He also claims that he has in fact submitted a fact sheet of corruption charges against the Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh to the CBI, and now demands that the Congress party should in fact take action and Veerbhadra Singh should step down as the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh given the serious nature of charges. And as you rightly pointed out, Gaurav, according to him, it is an open and shut case. So he says that, instead of these retaliatory protests that we saw this morning outside Rajnath Singh's house, instead of this being a blame game, a Congress versus BJP blame game, he says that, there should be an open televised debate and all the charges.
And is the Congress party willing to be a part of that debate? Because according to Arun Jaitley, the Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh accepted money to a tune of 1.5 crore rupees and 2.4 crore rupees through check in his name and in the name of his wife Pratibha Singh, a member of parliament from Venture Energy and Technology Private Limited. And Arun Jaitley claims that this company was given 2 extensions in a Hydel Power project despite being a defaulter. What he's saying is, Arun Jaitley claiming, Rishika, that this is an open and shut case. Has the Congress responded on the merits of the allegation levelled by Arun Jaitley, leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha?
Well, so far the Congress continues to remain tight-lipped on this particular case. What we saw this morning, like I mentioned, was retaliatory protest. So it is, a blame game that the Congress and the BJP have resorted to, wherein the allegations that have been levelled against Veerbhadra Singh by the BJP have been responded to, the Congress has responded to these protests, to these allegations, in fact, with counter-protests. So it is not like the Congress is defending Veerbhadra Singh. It is not like the Congress has come out with a strong defensive, stating that he is in fact clean of these allegations. The Congress has not even gone on to order a probe or issue any public statement in this regard. Instead, what the Congress has done is that they have launched a counter-offensive against the BJP. So clearly shows that the Congress is also on the back foot and perhaps do not have enough evidence or facts to clear their tracks when it comes to the allegations. Gaurav.
Rishika Barua, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. Keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. And now news from Kolkata. Parents of the gang rape victim who died now say the parents, they're speaking out for the first time. They've spoken exclusively to Headlines Today and they have made a major allegation. They've levelled a major allegation against the Kolkata police, saying the police are intimidating them. At the hospital where their daughter was admitted with 40% burns, they've also alleged that doctors did not treat her properly.
लेट्स स्पीक टू द डैड। ये बताइए कि कहा जा रहा था कि पुलिस से आप लोगों के ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा दबाव है, बॉडी आप लोगों को नहीं मिल रहा था, क्या हुआ था कल रात को वो थोड़ा बताइए।
रात में सर यही हुआ कि जब मेरी बेटी का डेट सर घर में लेके जहाँ हम रहते थे वहाँ जब गए तो वहाँ से हम लोग को बॉडी ठंडागर में रखने का बात था, क्योंकि हमारे बिहार से कुछ आने वाले आदमी थे। तो हमने बोला इसके लिए मैं इंतजार करूंगा, मगर उन लोगों ने क्या किया, जो ठंडा में घर में नहीं रखने के बहाने वो लोग कलकत्ता पुलिस जो है से अपने अंडर में बॉडी को ले लिया और लेने के बाद में वो सीधा शमशान घाट में चला गया। और हमारे ऊपर काफ़ी इन्होंने दबाव डाला जो हमको जैसे कागज़ दीजिए और बॉडी को अभी आप जलाइए। हमने बोला कि अभी हमारा आदमी आने वाला है, हम अब ऐसा काम नहीं करेंगे। तो इसका एसपी भी बैठा हुआ था, वहाँ का 2-2 थाना का बड़ा वो बैठा हुआ था, उसके सामने बोला तुम मोटिया बस्तर बांधो, बिहार चले जाओ, तुमको गोली मार देंगे। गोली वहाँ पर गुंडा भी हमको गाली दे रहा था जो तुमको साले गोली मार देंगे, तुमको अभी बोलते हैं निकलने के लिए नहीं निकलो। यही सब सारा रात ये लोग हमको टॉर्चर किया।
अगर हॉस्पिटल अथॉरिटीज ठीक तरह से आपकी लड़की को, जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, अगर ट्रीटमेंट देता तो वो बच जाती।
हाँ बच जाती, अगर सही से लोग ट्रीटमेंट शुरू से करता तो मेरा बेटी बच जाता है। तो 3 दिन फेंक के ही रखा था, प्लस जैसे कोई इलाज ही नहीं किया।
मेरा साथ में तो अच्छा से बात करता था, हम सोचते थे जब मेरा लड़की अच्छा हो जाएगा, लेकिन उसको अच्छा से नहीं हुआ, ट्रीटमेंट कुछ नहीं, कोई तो इलाज नहीं हुआ, इसलिए मेरा लड़की मर गया। इलाज होता तो मेरा लड़की नहीं मरता।